Rys Vleis.
Okay.
Is is it
Yes,
still
Stephen.
is it still major, or have you been promoted since the last time we spoke?
No, there's no promotions for the naughty major, hey? So it's still major.
You're looking great, man. You look young.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. It's all the parting we do.
Yeah, I was just gonna ask. One would think that all the Springbok games and drinking and everything would make you look considerably older, but goodness, or is it all the Zoom? It's a Zoom filter. It's got to be.
Is it no, it's not a Zoom filter, bro. It's called a pickled liver.
Tell me, Rys, what have you guys been up to?
Yeah, no, we've been up to a lot. I think one of our biggest things we're really proud of is the Rugby World Cup last year, and the geest that we brought to Paris was just unparalleled by any other supporters group for any other country. I mean, we had over 1,500 Oaks. You know, it was amazing, amazing, and so proud. Everyone just said it's the only way to do the Rugby World Cup. You get into Paris, you just hook up with the Braai Army. There's no like wandering around lost and stuff. So
Yeah.
yeah, we've had a good time, man. We've had a good time.
Didn't you guys actually make the news? Was it with the last World Cup that you guys made the news?
Yeah, we made the news a few times, a few different news stations. I mean, it was the only place where South Africans were meeting was with the Braai Army. Oaks were telling me that they're on the plane and everyone's like, Braai Army, do you know about the Braai Army and meet up in Paris? So it was incredible, eh? Better than I could have ever have imagined. The geest was amazing.
You won't believe it. I'm busy developing software for a company in America, and I'm hosting on Amazon. And I ran into a bit of a trouble with my database, so I jumped onto a support chat with someone on Amazon, and they said, okay, they
Yeah.
can give me a call to walk me through it. And then I was speaking to a boer, and he calling me from South Africa, and I'm like, okay, listen, dude, I need to go. I'm speaking to the Braai Army. He's like, the Braai Army, yeah, I know the Braai Army. He's like, no, no,
Yeah, it's amazing.
you guys are proper famous. Now, let's talk current affairs. You
Yeah,
guys were obviously at the London game last weekend. No, sorry, yeah, that was the
yeah,
London.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Last weekend.
last weekend. Was Kitshoff with you guys?
Yes, yes, yes. He was
Yeah.
with us actually the whole day, hanging out. Because we doing the brand activation with Bomb Squad.
Yeah.
So it's so awesome just to be able to hang out with those guys and just see how what nice guys they are, and we want the best for them with their Bomb Squad beer.
Yeah, he's awesome. I spoke actually I interviewed him 2 or 3 days before he flew out to you guys, and we were doing the same thing, trying to get promoting Bomb Squad, and he's all excited because it's launching in the UK, and then there's talks about Australia, and then there's rumors about New Zealand as well. So the beer's gonna
Yeah, yeah.
make it to my fridge. That's all I know.
Yeah,
This is not a sponsored video at all. Anyway, so now next on the agenda is the Wales game. And sadly, I think it's the last Springbok game for the year.
yeah. It's the last Springbok game for the year. And Wales to me is like the best place. Cardiff is their best place to watch the Springboks play because they have you been to is a Principality Stadium? Have you been?
I've been to Wales for training when I used to live in the UK, but I didn't make it out of my guest house.
Okay, okay. So the thing about Principality is it's right downtown.
Yeah.
It's like you walk out of the Principality and 150 meters you're in their high street, which is just filled with South Africans. And the Welsh supporters are to me, they're the friendliest, most respectful supporters, the Welsh. So it's always fun. I enjoy Wales is like my top place to watch.
West England.
Yeah, England's lacquer because I mean Twickersfontein has always got so many South Africans. I mean we've got our Springbok supporters block. And the Springbok supporters block will stick out in Scotland, and it sticks out all over the world. But when it comes to Twickenham, there are so many green and gold jerseys, that our block is like maybe 1,000 people sitting together, and it sticks out. But it sticks out more like in Italy. But Twickersfontein, I'd say we almost outnumber the English.
That's good news. That's good. Now,
Yeah.
uh, I understand that there's some discounted tickets available for Proud.
Yes, for the Oorsee Oaks. Okay, so Wales we always do. I mean, Wales is we enjoy it the most. So we're gonna hook up at a rugby club on Friday night. We're gonna jaw. It's rugby club prices, so everyone enjoys that. Then Saturday we're hooking up at another rugby club
Yeah.
right next to the stadium. And then Saturday after the game, we're going to go to the walkabout where we have our own private bar, private areas, private entrance, no cover charge, for the Braai Army Oaks. And so we've offered a £5 discount. I nearly said a £5 discount, a £5 discount to the Oorsee Oaks. I think it's Oorsee with the number five.
Number five. All right. I'm gonna put that on the video here somewhere. I'm gonna add that in the description. I'm
Yeah.
gonna put that in the post when we're gonna put it on all our groups and our partner groups. And we're gonna
Thank you. Thank you.
and yeah, there's the game is when UK time.
On Saturday, I don't even know what time. I follow the troops, bro.
I'm
Like
I'm,
I
I'm
get there 1 o'clock. We start. We're opening at the rugby club before the game, so I get there, and then when I see everyone leaving, that's when I leave.
yeah, and now you need to know I live in the future, so I actually know one already because that's how far Australia is into. So when you guys are at the
No,
game
well,
and stuff, then I've already watched it. It's anyway, long story. So no, it's always funny when normally when I watch the fixtures online, I can say, okay, no, they're playing say 5 p.m. South Africa time on the 10th. But for me, it'll be the 11th. Now, I'm just talking,
like
giving an example. And
time
then
zone.
when I start posting, people are correcting me. Like, no, you got your dates wrong. I'm in Australia, mate. It's what
Yeah, 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 yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah.
I'm quite excited about it. I'm going to get that out for you guys. I see you've been driving all over the UK with the green
The Gees Mamba.
yes, Mama. Have you driven that thing from
Yeah.
Paris, or you still down in Paris, right?
From the farm, bro. From the farm. No, I moved back to Gqeberha about 3 years ago.
All right.
But I didn't drive it from the farm. So Toyota had it delivered here. Toyota South Africa had it delivered here,
Oh,
and
that's
they've been great. I mean, giving us wheels like that, it turns heads.
absolutely. I mean, everyone knows that logo. Just be careful when you're taking your £5 discount drinks on the walkabout. Those Aussies that run that joint, they might just spike your drink, and you know,
Ah, no, the walkabout is now managed by a South African oak, Matthew.
typical. Just
Yeah,
taking over
yeah,
everything.
yeah.
Look where I am. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna end this call off with by jumping way ahead. You know that the World Cup's going to be in Australia in 2027, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Do you have your tickets booked?
Yes, we're hoping to be an official tour operator for that. So we're going to get tickets. So if anyone wants to get it on our mailing list, it's braaiarmy.com/join. And then obviously when we have the yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, we're
Or
gonna
there,
put it there.
or there, or there, or there. So yeah, we definitely it's our time to shine. The 2027 Rugby World Cup. We are going to bring it. I mean, we brought it in Paris, but we didn't know how much we were going to bring it in Paris. Now we're prepared. In Paris, we had to sell out when we hit 1,500 people. That was the size of the venue.
Yeah.
So we want to get. It's going to be more special. We'll move over. Myself and the founder, Dan. Dan and I will move over a few months before and sort of scout out locations, scout out places, reach out to people like yourself. Yeah, we want to bring it. 2031 is, I mean, 2027.
Yeah.
is going to be absolutely amazing for us. For the Springbok supporters, they're going to love it. The gees is going to be huge.
You're living in the future yourself. Have you ever been here? Have you been to Perth?
Why
Perthfontein?
would I ever go to Australia?
Perth
Why would
Twin.
I ever?
Because the weather
The
was
next thing, if I go to Australia and then I spend my money there, and then that money goes to goes to the Australian rugby team, I'd never be happy. So I'll only go there when it's very, 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 very necessary. So
well,
I don't buy Aussie shampoo. I don't buy Foster's. I don't spend money with Australia. Sorry, Australian government, but that's just how I am.
yeah, and you even take a discount from the walkabout because technically that's taking their money, not spending.
That's exactly it. So our Oaks, the Braai Army Oaks, don't have to pay cover charge. So yes, we are taking money from Australia.
All right, so you guys have heard it. There's discounted tickets, Oorsee 5, and you can check that out on the braaiarmy.com. And gosh, mate, I can't wait to see you on TV. I'm going to be watching the screen like this and hoping to spot you guys wherever you are. You're normally at
Hopefully, we've got a lacquer big flag, Braai Army flag.
Braai
So
Army
we
flag,
just
right?
got it. Yeah,
I'll be looking out for that one,
yeah, and it's green and gold, of course.
of course. Did you see I made the app green and gold
Yeah.
for the game? Look at that.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, so
That makes sense.
green and gold. So in order to show our support, So
I
yeah,
love that. Love it. Love
we
it. Love it.
I
Love
try
it.
and do it before every big game. Guys, thank you for your time. I'm gonna hit
Okay, Stephen.
that because it's late. Ooh, my camera's blurring. But I'll get this out in a few hours, and then because I've
Okay.
5 hours left, and then I need to wake up again. Then yeah,
Well,
get this out like an hour or so after that, and then we would push it everywhere. And I hope you guys get the biggest crowd that you've ever seen and the best memories that you've ever made.
yeah, we have already got about 550, 600 people, so it's going to be huge.
Yeah.
It's going to be huge.
So
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
really a lot of
Okay,
people.
Stephen, lekker.
Thank you,
Thank
man.
you, brother.
Cheers. Bye.
Oh, look, yeah. Cheers.